different functional blocks and sections inside the CRT-TV. The power supply section. Power supply is one of the sections of the televisions. It is where the voltage comes from, which is delivered to the other sections. This is the main source of power of the televisions. This consists of the following: AC line, fuse, varactor, main switch, relay, voltage regulator, main filter capacitor, bridge rectifier, and the chopper transformer. A chopper is a DC equivalent to an AC transformer having continuously variable turn ratio. And also, the transformer is used to step the AC voltage up and down, as well as provide isolations between the electronic system and the AC power. It transfers electrical energy between the primary winding and secondary winding, and it does so without changing the frequency. Filter capacitor. It is a capacitor that is used to filter out a certain frequency, otherwise series of frequencies, from an electronic circuit. And the filter changes the pulsating DC produced by the rectifier to a smooth DC level. Main switch. It is used for making and breaking of electric current in a circuit. Voltage regulator. The voltage regulator helps ensure that the DC output voltage is steady regardless of any variations in the input voltage, which enables the load to operate properly. Fuse. A fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protections of an electrical circuit. Rectifier. The rectifier is responsible for changing AC power to pulsating DC power. Horizontal sections. Horizontal sections function is to isolate the oscillator and to provide drive power for the horizontal amplifier. Horizontal output transistor or HOT. It is a switch and also it provides a path for current to flow through the flyback's primary winding and horizontal yoke. Flyback transformer. The output transformer is called the flyback or IHVT. An IHVT is a flyback transformer that includes the high voltage multiplier, and the flyback is primarily responsible for developing high voltage with around of 15 to 30 kilovolts. Horizontal yoke. The rising and falling sawtooth current flowing in the yoke produces horizontal electron beam deflections. Because it is a part of the output stage, the yoke also affects retrace timing. Vertical section. The vertical section is responsible of spreading the picture vertically on the TV screen. To easily identify these sections, just look for the IC that has a diode beside it, and a capacitor that has a value of 100 microfarad around 25 volts to 35 volts. Control section. Control section is the only section which control the entire board connectivity. All the CRT-TV connectivity, hardware to software, all were controlled by these control sections with the help of the main chip. Jungle IC. A jungle chip or jungle IC is an integrated circuit found in the most analog televisions. It takes a composite video signal from the radio frequency receiver, electronics, and turns it into separate RGB outputs that can be sent to the cathode ray tube to produce a display. Audio section. This section contains properties that show technical information about the audio and let you control audio output when playing the file. If it has an audio component, this property controls the sound volume for this file. The default option uses the same volume as for other files. RF tuner sections. The TV receiver has tune circuit in its input section called tuner. It selects the desired channel signal out of the mini pick up by the antenna. The other side of the tuner is a circuit composed of small SMD, small mount device, components such as chips and mini resistors. The circuit is the device that processes signals that is converted to pictures and sound. TV AV sections is an audio video controlling sections. When you connect your SEC set-top box AV cable. This section will control all the process of AV signals. RGB driver. RGB lead drivers ICs are used to generate and control three different voltages and currents required to illuminate RGB leads that use as a visual indicators. Sync separator. In the television receiver, a sync separator circuit detects the sync voltage levels and sorts the pulses in the horizontal and vertical sync. Loss of horizontal synchronizations usually resulted in an unwatchable pictures. Loss of vertical synchronizations would produce an image rolling up or down the screen.